Let's go back to that breaking news we're following out of downtown Atlanta, where a federal jury has just returned a number of guilty verdicts against Clayton County Sheriff Victor Hill. Fox 5's Claire Sims covering the trial for us is live. So Claire, tell us what happened.
Yeah, Christine, in just the last 20 minutes or so, the jury read their verdict. And I want to give you the headline first. There were 7 counts in this case. The jury found Sheriff Victor Hill guilty on 6 of those 7. Now, I want to walk you through all of them. We've been telling you about this trial for the last 2 weeks. This has taken 2 full weeks for the prosecution and the defense to go through this case. And then it's been 4 full days of deliberation from the jury. So the first count was about a man named Raheem Peterkin, who was put in a restraint chair in December 2019. On that count, the jury found Sheriff Victor Hill guilty. He was also found guilty on the second count. This was involving a man named Desmond Bailey. He was also found guilty on the third count involving a man named Joseph Arnold. You may remember he was the man involved in that altercation in a grocery store in Forest Park back in 2020. On the fourth count, this was the 17-year-old who we have not named throughout our coverage of this trial. But Sheriff Victor Hill, again, found guilty on that count. Now, the sole not guilty was on the 5th count. That was involving a man named Joseph Harper. You may remember throughout our coverage, we talked about Joseph Harper being a man who had been arrested for threatening his sister and grandmother and faked an illness and was taken to the hospital, and then at some point pulled out his IV, left the hospital, and had to be rearrested, and gave those officers a very difficult time as they brought him into the jail. Now, those factors may or may not have contributed to the verdict here, but that was the only one in the indictment that was actually sort of spelled out differently. That's because there was no proof that the prosecution could show that the sheriff himself ordered Harper into the restraint chair. All the other men, they showed, either text messages or specific paperwork that showed that Sheriff Hill was the one who actually ordered them to be put in the chair. So that is the sole not guilty verdict here. So count 6, this was involving Glenn Howell, the landscaper who had a dispute with one of Sheriff Hill's deputies. Again, the jury found him guilty on that count. And then finally, on count 7, involving Walter Thomas, that was the one in May of 2020, also found guilty. Now, the judge polled the jury of 9 men and 3 women directly after they announced the verdict. All of them said that that was their verdict that they had reached. And at this point, right now, there are some of the jurors who have stuck around to talk to the attorneys from both the defense and the prosecution. So we are waiting for both the prosecution. We expect them to have a news conference once that wraps up. And we hope to talk to the defense attorneys as well. So again, the big headline here, Clayton County Sheriff Victor Hill found guilty on 6 of 7 charges that he violated the constitutional rights of detainees inside the Clayton County Jail. We are live outside the federal courthouse. Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.
Yeah, we'll wait to hear reaction from both sides of this. Thanks so much, Claire.